Hi, my name is Nick Galati with Galati Yachts. I'm here behind the 38 Billfish. This boat's been completely redesigned and re-engineered from the 37 Billfish. We sold 25 of those boats in 2 years, and we're very excited about this brand new model. The thing people love about this boat is the size, the functionality. It's super economical to fish. It's fun, it's easy to use with your friends and family. And the price point, this boat, as spec'd, with the Seakeeper, all the electronics as you see it here at the show, is just over $1 million. So it's very appealing to a lot of buyers. She shares a lot of her benefits of her larger Viking counterparts with the Seakeeper, the spacious accommodations down below, the flybridge, and not to mention the Viking performance and things people love about the older product. So we're introducing the 46 to 38 Open. They'll both be at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show later this year. And if you can't come and see us at this boat show, be sure you'll be there to see those brand new models.